Okay, so I do have some footage that I'm gonna show you guys, but let me just be honest, okay? Land clearing is dangerous. It's pretty cool that we have herbs out here growing wild. Look at that butterfly pea right there. Look at it. You can make tea with it. I don't want to get hurt. Yeah, I don't want to get hurt. So I'm going back to what I said in the beginning that, we're going to just hire somebody to come out here and do this because, you know, cutting down like one or two trees, okay, great. If they're relatively small trees, but people do this for a reason as a profession. They are professional. I love them for what they do. I love them for the work that they do. And we gonna hire somebody because I ain't got time for this. But we did get a little bit of work done. We got an opening. We have enough space that we could at least that we can at least drive the truck down there. into the space. My husband has his ideas about, how much he wanted to get done on his own, and he's still out there right now. So I don't think that he has really met what he wanted to do. But, we're trying to live. We're not trying to be, maimed for life and all of this stuff. So letting him just go ahead and do as much as he wants to do for today. But tomorrow, when everything opens back up, like, I am on the phone, I am finding somebody who can come out here and go ahead and probably, I don't know, maybe do some forestry mulching so that we can get this thing done in a very, very reasonable time, because we are super, super excited about getting the RV out here. And, we do have some infrastructure things that we have to do, but we're really, really excited about getting the RV out here. And I believe once we can just get enough space, we can really, get somebody to clear out just a small amount of space, enough for us to be able to bring all of our trees and garden and all of that stuff. Once we are able to get that space, and then, get the RV out here, and we can really just enjoy the beauty of nature. Like, y'all hear that? It's wild out here. It's wild out here. I love it. I absolutely love it, though. And there are lots of planted pines out here. I think they said like 7 of the acres is planted pines. There are oak trees out here. There are cypress and cedar trees out here. I found several herbs out here. The butterfly pea plant that you can make tea from is out here. I saw one nice size mullein plant. It looks to be at least 2nd year. Is big. It's a nice size mullein plant. There are wild blackberries all over the place out here. There's some other things that I recognize, but I just can't call like their name. But it's beautiful out here, and I'm gonna take you and just kind of walk you through and show you some of the work that we've done in getting some stuff cut down. And so yeah, let me show you guys just a little bit of the 20 acre tract.